Hello guys, we are doing paper 2018 May.June 3-1, paper 3, here paper 3-1 variation. In this we will do website authoring. Website authoring. This is the first part of the paper. Task 1. Evidence document. Open the file J1831 evidence. Make sure your name, center number, candidate number will appear on every page of your evidence document by placing these details in the header. Save this as a word processed document in your work area with a file name J1831 evidence followed by your candidate number. Example like this. So you will need to place screenshots in the other stuff as we are doing the steps in the coming sections. Fine. So let's open evidence J18 J18 this is the one. Let's put it inside this. Open this using MS Word. Here is the one. We're going to place the our details in the header. Okay. Now let's go for it. Insert menu. Insert, then header. 3 column. Just give here your details. Center and candidate. Okay, and we're going to save this file. Save as. We'll save in the same folder. Other one, yeah, it's been already created. Like evidence. Then we have to add our candidate number. Actually, it should be over here. Okay, here we'll save, and I'll change to MS Word, like Word 972003 document. Okay, and we can just add another one because already there is a file of that. Okay, in paper 3-1. Okay, this will need it later. Minimize and keep. Okay, this whole thing is done. Task 2, web page. You work for Hot House Design and will develop a few pages for a small construction company called Bobby's Bricks. Efficient markup and style sheets must be used. All color codes must be in hexadecimal. Okay, create a folder, new folder called bb_html. Just select and copy and go to the folder of 3-1. Paper 3-1. See here, I just created the folder. Just right click in the space and new folder. Okay, folder. Then just paste that name like this. Okay, just I'll cancel it all. Then I'll delete as well because already I have this. This is the one. Fine. Now next, locate in the following files and store them in your bb_html folder. Yeah, so contact, map, text1, text2, logo. Here I have I just already kept in this all contact, logo, map, text1, text2, right? And what else? Style, blocks, bricks, paving. Style, where is style? Yeah, style, blocks, bricks, paving. Okay, So I guess this must be in there only, in the other one. Okay, I guess in paper 3-1. I'll put it back only. Sorry, just leave it. Okay, this is not needed. From here, sorry, next one. Actually, here this one is not needed. I'll just cut and paste over here. The file is open. I'll just close this. Okay. Okay. Next, create a web page called bb.htm. Just select and copy. Go to now we are using the front page software. Okay, Microsoft front page software I'm using. So we are going to create one web page. Okay, just it's a web page. Just click on that new. Automatically one web page comes up with a default file name. Okay, so but we have to change this. So right click on the name and click on save. Okay, here we are just changing the name to what I brought over here, copied. Now I have to save this in my folder only, in my folder 3.1 folder of 2018. So I have to reach there. I have to, sorry, I have to 18 May.June 3.1 and inside this I have to save this file. Okay, done. This web page must work in all browsers. Yes, that definitely it works, and will have a table structure as shown below. Okay, so each table cell is identified with a letter. Okay, then having these pixels, dimensions of the pixels, then the letters and dimensions shown in the table must not appear in the real table. Okay, so now we are going to create this table. 1 2 3 columns it got, 1 2 3 4 rows it got. Okay, these are the columns 3, and these are the rows. Okay, this one, this one, this one, and this one. So there are 4 rows into 3 columns. Okay, let's go. So here now what we'll do, we can just go to the icon of insert table. Fine, here 3 and 4. See, 3 columns into 4 records. Okay, this way we got, just we see where the stuff is there for merging. See, second row and third row are totally merged up, and this got only 2 columns. The first one is as it is, we're not going to change this at all, but the second one and the third one we have to totally merge the whole row record, and this also, and this we have to make it 2. Okay, fine. So the second one we have to merge fully. So select the whole record, the row, go to table and merge cells. Even the third one also we are doing the same thing. Okay, select the whole row, table, merge cells. And here is the stuff. Here is the stuff where it got only 2 columns, not 3 columns. Okay, that I'll do it. Okay, first let me just see the dimensions. What are the dimensions over here? It's the total. Now what we have to set is the table's width. Okay, the table's width we have to set. See, now this is always first, it's a width, means it's here. This is called width. Okay, from here to here, from one end to the another end, this is the width, and 250 is the length of this cell. Okay, particular cell from here to here. Now its length, this cell's length is 150 pixels from here to here. That's it. And here its length is, see, 300. This cell's length and this total row's length is same. See, everywhere it's 300. So we have to set the table's width. So maximum from one end to the another end length is 1200 pixels. So that we have to set first. Later we'll set all other dimensions. So where we have the across from one into another end, the row, there just click inside, right click, table properties. Okay, now just only set here 1200. That's it. Only that's it. Sorry. कहाँ गया वो? Just I'll just here, see, one thing with notes, it must be in pixels. It must be in pixels. Change to pixels. Otherwise it will go very long. Okay, change to pixels. Don't forget this. 1200 pixels. Okay, apply. Okay, see, now it came to the page. Within the page. Fine. Now I will set every cell's dimensions. Okay, every cell's dimensions. Now I will start with the first one. 400 into 300. Okay, so click in the cell, right click. Now cell properties. Okay, cell properties. Here it's a 400 and other one is a 300. Okay, now second one as well, cell properties, 400, 300. Just press enter. Now the third one as well, I'll go specify width is 400 in pixels and other one is 300. Okay, this is done. And here we know 1200 into 250. Fine. So right click, cell properties. Now this is 1200 and this one is 250 is the length. Now the third one, what are the dimensions of it? 200 into 150. Right click, cell properties, 1200 and 150. Okay, this is the last one. We need only here 2 columns, not 3 columns. Okay, what we do, select the whole record like this, whole row, and go to table, split cell, sorry, merge cells first, merge cells, merging. Okay, merging. See, now there is no column at all. Now we have to split them. Again, back to table, split cells. Split into columns. How many columns? 2 columns only we want. See here? Perfect it is. Now, just like the questions table we got, but only we have to change this one. 600 into 300. Okay, let's change that. See, the cursor is blinking. Right click, cell properties, 600, 300. Okay, apply. Okay, done. Now right click in this as well. Here width is 600, height is 300. Just save the work. Save the work. Okay, now the table we got perfectly how they wanted. Yeah, see. Now the external table border must have a width of 4 pixels and all internal grid lines must have a width of 2 pixels. Table borders and grid lines must be visible. This we will set later in the style sheet. Okay, we will type in the style sheet. Okay, for now we'll leave this. Now place in cell A the image brickwork.jpg. So this is cell A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, fine. So this is the first one, cell 1. Okay, then we have to insert a picture. So insert picture from file, bricks. Done. Okay, next. Place in cell B the text. Okay, I'm just copying this text. Copy a control C. Set this text as a style H2. Okay, here I have to just paste this one and right select from normal H2 heading 2 size. Now next, this is all done. Place in cell C the image paving.jpg. Okay, paving here, paving.jpg. Again, click the cursor, insert picture from file, paving. Oh, it's very large. Okay, what we are do with that? Resize this image to the markup so that it is 394 pixels wide and maintains its aspect ratio. Okay, now I have to just resize this to match with this, I guess. Right click, picture properties. Here is the size. Here is the size. Okay, 398. Right? So no height. Height is not given. Maintain the aspect ratio as well. Okay. Where is that? Once again. Specify the size. This is the size. 398. So sorry. 398. And no height at all. Okay. Maintain the aspect ratio. Okay. Now it's matching with the other one. Okay. Now. Place in cell D the image bb logo.jpg. Here, insert picture from file. This is the one. This is the logo of the company which appears on the company vehicles, letterheads, etc. Make this image a hyperlink to open the web page. Okay, just copy this in a new browser window called _new. Okay, this is the one. This Bobby's bricks we have to make a hyperlink. Okay, select the image, right click, hyperlinks. Fine, we are setting one web page hyperlink. They told us to use this. Oh, sorry. Again, I'll just edit that. Here, see bb. Okay, from here, from the folder I took, and target frame as well. We have _new. Yeah, just look at this, _new. It opens in a new window. Okay. Okay. Okay, this is done. Place in cell E the text from the file bb1.text. Set this text as h1. Okay, let me see what is in that. Text 1. Where is text 1? Here, it's just a notepad file. Yeah, just select Control A, Control C. Fine. Now let me go to my web page and I have to place it here. Okay. Now I have to make this h1. Selected the whole thing. Go to this normal and h1. We have to make it. Next question. 7th one. Place in cell F the text from bb text2.txt. Add your name, center number, candidate number to the end of this text. Okay, let me see that. What's in that text too? Okay, just select the whole thing. Control A, Control C. Now minimize and go to web page. Here I have to place. And here see web page last edited by me. So I will write my details, name, center number, and even they want the candidate number, right? Okay, done. So the text, we will undertake building projects as a H2. What is that? Where is that? Only this much. This is H2. Okay, this also change. We'll change that. and the text as a style H3, this one. Okay, when you just give one space over there, so it'll get separated. This should be H3. Okay, now see the two sizes are different. Okay, make only the text hot house design a hyperlink to the web page. Now we have to copy this one. I have to just copy this. Select Control C, which should be set to open the same browser window. Same browser means there is no target frame. Okay, a hot house design, they want this hot house design. Select, right click on that, hyperlink. Now address of the web page, here I brought it copied, paste it. Okay, and there is no target frame, just click OK. You see that it's a hyperlink is set. Okay, whole 7th is done. Place in cell G the image of the map provided here. Okay, here click inside, insert picture from file, the map. Perfect. Now next, make sure appropriate text is displayed if an image is not available. Okay, for this, okay, right click, picture properties, text we have to general, here like world map, I'll take the text to be displayed. Okay, center align the table in the browser. Okay, center align the table in the browser. Here the whole table it is, right? It's whole table. Now go to table, table properties. Okay, here alignment, you see there, default, you have to make it center. Apply. Okay. Okay. It's all done. Attach the style sheet bbstyle.css to your web page and to bb contact htm. Save the web pages in your bb.html underscore html4. So we have to attach this to our web page right now, the one we are doing, and also to this. We have to open this and we have to attach this style .css to contact as well. So okay, now let me just open contact as well. Sorry, no, this one I'll go to open. Okay, file, open, this one, this is the second one. Now I have to get the style sheet attachment. Yeah, keep this ready, then go to format, style sheet link, add, only one, first one, right? bb dot style. I have to go 18 May.June 3-1. Yeah, this one. Okay, see the borders and all it got, and to this as well I have to attach. Okay, keep open, again go to format, style sheet links, add. Yeah, it's already there. Okay, see the text changed, fonts and all totally changed. Okay, and we have to save in our folder. Okay, these two we have to save in our folder. Any names and all same, right? Just save the web pages in your folder. Okay, fine. Are they saved in our folder? Yeah, bb contact is there. Save, yes. Now other one also I'll save. File save as, here bb, and under bb underscore html save. Yes. Okay. Now next. The style sheet has been started but needs to be improved using the most efficient syntax. Make sure your style sheet does not contain any HTML. Now we are going to edit the style sheet which is already there. That's bb style. Open style sheet thus in a suitable software and examine the contents. Edit the style sheet so that it has the following specifications. Okay, now I have to open style sheet and I have to just check all the stuff. H1, H2, H3 they want, and all border grid lines of that. Yeah, we left one question in the beginning, that as well. So let me open style sheet as well. File, open. This is the style sheet. Actually, this is, I had done this style sheet so that it is appearing. We will create the new one ourselves. Okay, we will create the new one. We'll create the new one. Just whatever, if you have any contents, just delete totally. Now we have to start afresh. H1, H2 and H3 display the font. Zap of, just I'll copy this. If this is not available, then Blackadder something. If neither of these fonts are not available, then display the default serif font. Okay, here I'm going to start with H1. Format, style, H1, format, font. I'll just paste that whether it's available. No, it's not available. It has to appear if it's available. No. Okay, let me take another one. I will select the second one, copy, and let me paste it here. Yeah, it's appearing. This is there. Fine. Next. Okay, H1, H2 must center aligned. See, so H1, it applies to H1 also, and H1 must be, even the color is there, must be red with no green or blue elements. So it must be pure red and center align. Okay. Color, just red, nothing else. Okay, and center align under the paragraph, alignment, center. Okay, okay, okay. And see, one more is there here. You see there, if neither of these fonts are available, then display the default serif font. So we'll keep it as a serif font as a default. Okay, I'll copy this. So see, after font family, this one first something, comma, put comma, then paste that serif as well. Okay, done. Next, H2, I'll go for the same thing. I guess 3, but only the color is different. Blue. Okay, rest all same. Format, style, HTML tags, H2, under font, same, that black something. Yeah, this one. Then color, blue, just blue. Okay, okay, and the alignment, center. Okay, okay, okay. And for this also we'll use the serif font. Okay, exactly, just comma, serif. Format, the third one, third H3 I'll go for. H3 now, that is same, the font is same, something black, and let me see what is the color. This is also blue, just blue. Okay, just blue. Okay, and under paragraph it's a center line. Okay, anything else we have? Yeah, center aligned. Okay, fine. Okay, okay, okay. Now just we can add the serif also there. Serif. Okay, done. Just save once. Now go to the question. Yeah, everything is all borders and grid lines must be red with no green or blue elements and match the requirements of question 1. Yeah, what is the question 1? Here it is said in the question 1, if I take you back here, external borders 4 pixels, internal grid lines 2 pixels. Fine. And now it got a color as well, I guess, with red color. Okay, just red color. Let me just open. Outer border is of table. Okay, HTML tags, table, borders, box. Here we give 4 pixels and the color is what? Just red. And no padding at all. No padding at all. Okay, no padding. Okay. Okay, okay. 4 pixels we did. Now internal grid lines. For that we have to take TD style. After the table we have TD. Okay, here paragraph borders, solid borders and 2 pixels. 2 pixels and also no padding at all. Delete this padding. And even it got a color as well, right? Color is red. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, this is everything. Just save it one more time. Display the web page in your browser. If necessary, resize it so that all the page can be seen, all the text can be easily read, and address bar is visible. Take a single screenshot of the browser window and place it in the evidence document. Okay, we have to open in the web browser. Display the web page, our web page, that BB. This just have you saved it? Okay, save. Yeah, this is the one we have to open in web browser. So file, preview in browser, any browser you can take. Yeah, this is the one. Just I'll reduce the zoom a little bit. Yeah, this is the one. It's not that clear. Uh, 60. Okay, now it's a bit clear. Okay, now we'll take the screenshot of it fully. Light shot. Where's my light shot? Okay, it's already there. So I pressed print screen button and just we can crop the whole from the title bar till the end. Select. Okay, now we'll go to this is over. I go to the evidence. This is the evidence. Evidence 1. Evidence 1. Okay, here we have to place this one. Control V. Yeah. Okay. Done. Next, take a copy of HTML source and place this in your evidence folder. Where not this. Where is it? No, this is not. This is the one. They want the code of this. Okay. Control A, Control C. Now back to evidence. Evidence 2. Okay. Now when you do this one, just what you do, highlight some important lines, tags. Here first of all, style sheet all the time. Okay, style sheet. And where you added the image, here it is. Another image. Okay, just to highlight them, it's your hard work. So we are showing this. What else here? Here, the hyperlinks, definitely. Okay, from here to here, I guess it is. Okay, this is another image. Fine. Perfect. Save. Now let's go to the question. Take a copy of your style sheet and place this in your third evidence. Style sheet they want to see. Style sheet. This one. Okay, take a copy of it. Just select the whole thing. Then Control C, copy, and go to evidence. And third one, here it is. Okay, paste. This is third evidence. Save. Then come to the question. Okay, evaluate in your own words the choice of fonts used for this web page. Type your evaluation in your own words into your evidence document using no more than 100 words. Okay, here you see how were the fonts taken. If you see the web page, you see this. See, these are the fonts, and let me show you the design. See, these are the fonts. How do you find these fonts? How do you find these fonts? They are fancy. They may be part of the custom styles as well. Yeah, and it's occupying more space due to this very fancy design of the font. And since they got a red color, no, they are not that clear. No, it is just mixing with the background as well, so that it's not that clear. So these are the points we are going to write, okay, in our evidence. That is the fourth one. Fourth evidence here. Okay, number 1. These styles, this font style may be of custom no, corporate. It is corporate styles. The font is very fancy. Due to that, it's occupying more space, and it may not be so easy to read by all users. Third one, the font is not that clear, clearly, we can see, clearly visible, as it is mm, mixing with background. Okay, anything more? If just look at the font, we can understand. Yeah. See here, it's difficult to read. See this blue color. Um. See, look at this. Yes, in the other page as well. Contact. Look at this. What is this one? Numbers are not that clear, right? See, totally they are very fancy. Just look at that. How many marks are there? See, there are 4 marks. Means minimum 4 points we are supposed to write. Okay, keep that in mind. Hmm? Less than 100, but we have to write 4 points compulsory. Even if you have more views or no reviews, you can write all that, but 4 minimum you have to write. So what we'll write as the fourth one, only they're talking about the font, nothing else, nothing else. Okay, and we can even suggest no a font that is better than this one. So we can suggest like sans serif font to be used instead of the given font, as it is more clear and um, can easily be read. Okay, fine. These are the four. Save the work. Back to the question. So we can just highlight all this. The work is done. Oh yeah, it's done. It's over. Okay.